Hello everyone. Welcome to the Law Library Orientation for undergraduate law students. In this session, we will walk you through how to use FIND HKUL to search for libraries materials. We will use the example of finding journal article to demonstrate how it works. During your study, you will often be given a list of recommended readings. Very often, the titles of these readings will be listed in a citation form. This is an example of an article citation using a referencing style called OSCOLA. OSCOLA is the abbreviated form for Oxford University Standard for the citation of legal authorities. It is a footnote referencing style widely used in British legal writing for accurately citing the resources used in a work. This is how to interpret the citation of a journal article. First part, name of the author. Second part, title of the article, enclosed by quotation marks. Third part, information about where the article was published. With FIND HKUL, you can conduct your search at article level. So if you know the article title and the library's database contains its full text, you can retrieve it directly. Let's take this article as an example. Use the Scope Articles Plus to do a title search. Enclose it in double quotation marks to conduct an exact phrase search. The result page will show you the item record. Here you will find three choices: download PDF, full text available, and view issue contents. Download PDF will provide you with the article in PDF format immediately. Full text available will direct you to the relevant database that contains this article. View issue contents will direct you to the content page of the issue via Browsing, a journal database implanted into FIND HKUL. Through this option, you will have access to the content page of all issues in this journal. With this option, you are able to access all articles published in the same issue. If you click on the record, you will find the full record of this article. On the right, you may notice that there is a column displaying a list of relevant articles. This is called BX Recommendations, which provide you with other relevant articles on the same topic or subject. It serves to broaden your scope of research. You may always go through the recommendations and click on the item record to see if the suggested article is useful to your research. But remember, FIND HKUL does not index all of the journal articles available in our databases. So there are times you might not be able to locate materials at article level. For example, this article here cannot be found in FIND HKUL. So what should you do then? In that case, you should go one level up and search by the journal title, Hong Kong Law Journal. Do a search for the journal using the Search Scope Books Plus. As you can see from the result list, we have both electronic and print versions of the journal. If you choose to use the online version, click the first result to expand the item record. Since there are different databases offering this journal, you may check the coverage to see which database covers the year and volume you need. In this example, you may notice that although the database HKUL Online cover from 1971 until now, full text is not available for volumes in most recent 2 years. While Lexis Advance Hong Kong covers from 1995 to 2000 only. Since the article is published in 2021 Volume 51, you should use Westlaw Asia rather than the other two databases. For the print version, it is located in our Law Serials collection, which is on the second floor of the Law Library. You may check the coverage to see if Volume 51 is included in our collection by expanding the filter on the right. Then, you can locate the volume by looking for the shelf with the call number K1, H7, L4, on the second floor. Most citations will show journals in an abbreviated form. However, FIND HKUL may not catalog the abbreviated title but its full title. So how do you find out a journal's full title from its abbreviation? Here, I would like to introduce two useful tools for identifying citation abbreviations. One is called Index to Legal Citations and Abbreviations by Raystrick. It works like a dictionary and you can look up by abbreviated titles. There are several print copies in our reference collection. Another one is called Cardiff Index to Legal Abbreviations, which is a free online citation dictionary provided by Cardiff University. Here, you can find out the abbreviations of journals or law reports. What about legislation and cases? You can search the titles of statute books or law reports at FIND HKUL. For example, All England Law Reports, Hong Kong Law Reports and Digest, and so on. But you cannot search for individual legislation or cases in FIND HKUL, such as Companies Ordinance or HKSAR versus Chinkamwa, because they are not indexed. If you are looking for individual legislation or cases, you have to make use of legal databases such as Westlaw Asia or Lexis Advance Hong Kong. Basically, these are what we will cover in this video. You may check out some FAQs below for some additional information. See you.